Hello and welcome back to another Snapshot video. In today's Snapshot we are taking a look at 19W12B. One thing I have noticed before we jump into things is I have found it quite stuttery. This could be because I'm rendering a video, or, well there we go, that's what we're going to take a look at in just a second, or it could just be some performance issues in the game. The first thing we are going to take a look at is there have been some more tweaks to the Iron Golem spawnings. And I'm going to try and briefly go over them just to explain what has changed and how this will benefit. Firstly, the spawn chance has slightly increased, and it's only slightly, as that it says on the changelog. It only now requires 5 villager gossips instead of 10. If we run the command in this command block, which is going to set the time to 9,000, which is the time that all the villagers, as you can see, gather at their meeting point. This is where they will begin to share gossip. What we're going to do is we're just going to fly above just like this, and we're going to run this command here. We're going to do data get entity, and then we're going to select that one there, and then we're just going to put in here gossips. As we can see, they will begin to share gossips, and as we can see, they are doing it. They are now at 98, and I'm not 100% the full system works, but it now only requires 5 gossips for a golem to spawn. Previously, it was 10, so this is a massive change and will benefit and increase the spawnings of iron golems. Now, a second thing we need to take a look at over here is villagers that have been that have been changed from zombie villagers to normal villagers will increase the rate of iron golem spawning. I'm guessing that's because they want more protection. So that could be a really interesting mechanic to use in an iron golem farm, which I'm assuming will work better in this version of the game than it will in the previous version of the game. This will mean that if you, let's say, get a load of your zombie villagers, you put them in your cells, and then you change them all into normal villagers, that should increase the chances of spawning an iron golem. They are actively looking for feedback to these changes and that kind of thing. So if you want to give feedback to the game, which they greatly appreciate and they really want to know to get this perfectly right for 1.14, head into the options here, give feedback, and head to this link here. As you can see, that will take you to the feedback page where you can submit feedback into these features. A couple of other bug fixes we have is glass has now been made into a solid block. If we go inside it just like that, there was a bug where it would go black like in a normal block. So let's say we change that to a normal grass block just like that. As we can see, if we jump in there, the whole world goes black. But that no longer happens, which it did happen with glass in the previous snapshot. And another quick change has dying signs has been fixed. If we quickly do that, as you can see, you were unable to do that in survival Minecraft. That now functions. Only a smaller snapshot, some more bug fixes, all on the changelog linked down in the description. More changes to Iron Golem spawning mechanics. What's your opinion on Iron Golem spawning mechanics? Because they have changed a lot. What do you think? I'd love to know. That's it for today's snapshot video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.